Reference improvements in Sketch. In ZW3D 2023, we optimized the reference times, integrated the manager, and added selection mode. In the old version, there are 5 reference types. The new version is optimized to 2, and integrated the manager, so the reference can be deleted directly. We have also added rich selection modes. In the chain between page selection mode, we only need to select the first and last edges to quickly select the connected edges in the interval. Loop selection divided into many modes, such as inner and outer. The inner can quickly select the close range in the face, and the outer can quickly select the profile of the face. These modes greatly improve the reference efficiency. Select the profile of the button surface. Then exit the sketch to quickly carry out instruction cutting.